How to fix WhatsApp verification code problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix WhatsApp verification code problem, that is not receiving OTP code. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is you will need to head over to a web browser. So search for a web browser, and on your web browser, all you have to do is search for WhatsApp help. After you search for WhatsApp help, you'll find WhatsApp help right here. Open that website up. After you open that up, you can see different topics. Now you will find the topic related to you. So right here, you can simply search for OTP. And after you search for OTP, if you find the option that says WhatsApp OTP code not received or anything related to that, you can simply click on it and check out the solutions for it. But there doesn't seem to be an option here. So what we'll do is we'll just head over to Help Center and scroll down. And if you see a report button or anything related to that, you can simply tap on that. If not, all you have to do is go back here, go back to the front here, tap on Contact WhatsApp. And after you tap on Contact WhatsApp, it'll take you to this section where you will need to press on this blue Contact Us letters. And after you tap on that, it should take you to a reporting section. So all you have to do is give your number right here, write in your email address, confirm it, choose your device which you use, then right here type in your problem. So the problem right here is not received OTP, and you can also explain a few things here and then tap on next step and continue with the reporting process. Doing that, WhatsApp will get back to you about your problem and it should be fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.